going to be setting up a subdomain or root domain in GoHighLevel. It's going to be a quick, easy, and painless process. And I'm going to show you a trick at the very end as well. The whole goal of this video is to help you set up a subdomain. Right now, I have Google domains and I've got it going over to Cloudflare. I definitely think getting a domain on Cloudflare is super beneficial, and GHL uses Cloudflare a lot, and all of the things work extremely well on Cloudflare. So we're going to jump right over to that. So we are in on our GHL account. So we're going to go to the sub account, and then we're going to go down and we're going to go to the settings. And then we're going to go, either you can go to sites and then add it, or I just like going to the domains. So now we're going to add a domain here, and then it's going to tell you either to add an A record or a C name. Add the A record, and then we're going to put we're going to put whatever our thing's going to be. So this would work on your root domain as well. It's basically the same exact process. So I'm going to copy this. I'm going to jump back over to Cloudflare. If you don't have a Cloudflare account, it's extremely simple to set up. Just use the free account. So we're going to go over here. We're going to go to our domain. We're going to go to DNS here, and then we're going to add a new record. Super simple. It's going to be an A record, and our, oh, I can't spell. If you're just doing it on the root name and it's like a generic name, you can just put the @ for the root. And then so for the A record, it's going to be the 3468. And then we are going to turn off proxy. Remember that. We're going to turn off proxy. Boom. Got the A record going. Beautiful. So the next thing we're going to do here is we got the A record, and then we're going to do an asterisk so we can have as many subdomains over that as well. Do the same thing, proxied, and eventually we're going to set up a email autoresponder for Mailgun as well. Yay. And then it says select your domain. Beautiful. We're not going to do that right now. Apparently I did it twice. So that's going to propagate. You got to do the WW as well. All right, beautiful. Now that is done. So now since we put the asterisk, we can put any kind of subdomain and it will automatically run. Okay, so test at average. So what this will do this will help. Oh, so I already did the test. So what this will do is let you, when you're onboarding the clients, instead of having to go in and change their DNS settings and everything else, we can just put their brand domain. So Tom's Tree Service or whatever, we can put that and have your domain as the ending period, right? So what I would suggest is buying like a general domain like med spa offers, right? So you could put their brand domain as that. It just makes it a lot easier. So this was just a super simple way. And now we can attribute these to whatever funnel you want. Hopefully this is going to help out a little bit, and we're going to have more videos down below. If you got any questions, do me each favor, check me out on averagemarketer.com or leave a comment down below. I'd love to jump on the phone with you and help you out. Talk to you soon.